Hello everybody, my name is Gulshan Manglu Sahu and I'm basically from Chhattisgarh, brought up in Madhya Pradesh, currently working in Bangalore, and along with that I'm pursuing company secretary course. So that's a little brief about me. So I've created this video in order to let you guys know that I'm going to start my YouTube channel. You guys might be wondering why I'm going to start my YouTube channel, who really inspired me to do this. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So during this quarantine, I was sitting and pondering by myself, trying to realize what my purpose is in life. What I really want to do, what change I want to make in people's lives. I came across that I really want to be a motivator. I want to be someone to push people up, to be a helping hand, to lead people in the right direction. And if I can flip a switch even in one life, my purpose is completed. Your happiness means everything to me. I really from the bottom of my heart want to make change in people's lives. I want to be the channel where you come when you really need motivation. And I'm super pumped and super excited for this, you guys. You're going to be a whole new different person by the end of the stories. And in our life, we deal with such difficult times. We don't know what is our purpose in life, and many of us know what our goals and dreams are, but we don't know how to achieve it. I'm going to help you do that. I'm going to give you the best damn version of yourself. And I want to mainly direct this to a strong men and women. And I'm a girl, I can relate to all the problems. And I want to build a community of very strong men and women, to empower each other. I want you guys to be friends with each other and to build a very strong community. And so I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you a run through of what you can expect in the upcoming series. So the first video is going to be on self-love, how to love yourself, how to be the better version of yourself. And I'm going to give you tools on, to enrich yourself, to become more better than what you are. And also what you can expect in the channel is that I'm going to talk about law of attraction, law of manifestation, change your thoughts, change. And also, as I love reading books, I'm gonna give you a summary of the book. So like many of us, you guys don't like to read books. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make whatever book I'm reading, I'm gonna make a 10 minutes summary. So that it will be easy for you guys and you guys can benefit. And I can suggest you this book is good for this book is good for this. Overall, I want a improvement. I want you guys to improve yourself, to love yourself, to enrich yourself. Okay, so that's all I have for this channel. So the next video is going to be on self-love. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much. Keep helping, keep supporting, and I need your help, guys. I need your support to make this channel successful. And I want to share this idea with you guys in order to to make sure what is going to be like. And I really need your feedback and I need your support.